I gave AI 1 hour to build me a real business. And it actually worked. This is exactly what happened. Today, I'm running a real experiment. No fake guru advice, no theory. I'm giving AI 1 hour to create a business from scratch. The rule is simple. I follow everything AI says. If it fails publicly. If it works, we prove AI can actually build something real. I'm using ChatGPT as the brain, CapCut AI for visuals, and free online tools only. Timer starts now. First step, I asked ChatGPT to give me a business idea that requires zero money. It suggested a micro-digital product, a niche productivity template for students. That's interesting, because templates sell fast and they don't require inventory. So the AI already picked the market, audience, and product format. I didn't think, I just followed instructions. Next, I asked AI to design the actual product. In under 2 minutes, ChatGPT generated the full structure of a study planner template. Then I used a free design tool to turn that into a downloadable file. No coding, no advanced skills. The weird part? It looked professional, not beginner-level professional. Now AI named the product, wrote the sales description, and created marketing copy. It even wrote the headline, "The 7-Day Focus Reset System." That sounds like something you'd see on a paid website. At this point, I've spent less than 30 minutes. The business already exists. And now comes the hard part, selling. I asked AI how to sell this fast without ads. It gave a simple plan. Post in student communities, use short-form content, offer a launch discount, create urgency. So I created a simple landing page using free tools. No website coding, no hosting fees, just drag and drop. AI wrote every line. At this point, I expected the plan to fall apart. Because online business videos usually skip the hard part. But everything was working. The product looked real, the page looked real, the marketing copy looked real. The only thing missing was buyers. And that's where most people quit. Instead of chasing sales, I asked AI one final question. What is the fastest way to validate this idea? It said, "Sell before scaling." So I offered early access at a low price. This reduces risk, tests demand, and builds proof. That's actual business logic, not hype. Within the hour, the business existed. Product. Done branding, done sales page, done marketing strategy, done. Did I become rich? No. But AI built a working business framework in 60 minutes. That's insane. Most people spend months stuck on step one. AI won't magically make you rich, but it removes the hardest barrier, starting. The real advantage isn't automation, it's speed, and speed wins. If AI can build this in 1 hour, imagine what you could build in 1 week.